A cryptocurrency is a hidden currency, in the sense that it is visible, usable only by knowing a specific computer code. It does not exist in physical form, but is generated and exchanged exclusively electronically. The Diamond Token team wants to exploit the new resources offered by technology and enter the cryptocurrency market with its own token and its own project. The founders of the project itself have been within the crypto world for years, knowing its potential in depth, having appreciated its usefulness and sensing its immense use that will develop in the very near future. The DMN token will be introduced by linking it to the business, wellness and tourism sector, a strategic choice too given the large growth that has taken place in these areas in recent years. The goal is to allow the use of DMN for international payments. Strengths on which the team focuses a lot are: ensure maximum security for investors, both in terms of investment in the first place, and from the point of view of the seriousness of the platform. Guarantee absolute protection of privacy. Contain commissions for exchanges at very low levels. Ensure very fast transactions. Particular focus is to combine the strengths just mentioned, taking advantage of the newborn DeFi, decentralized finance. Decentralized finance has quickly become a safer, more transparent and more efficient alternative to traditional financial services. Protected by blockchain technology,